Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to install VMware Tools on Kali Linux because we are establishing our own certified ethical hacking lab, and many of you might be facing issues like small screen resolution, mouse lag, or not being able to copy paste between your host operating system and virtual machine. So now we need to solve all of this, and we will install something called VMware Tools. So what actually VMware Tools are? In simple words, VMware Tools is a package that enhances the performance and usability of a virtual machine. So when we install it inside Kali Linux, running on VMware Workstation Pro. It allows better communication between the host and guest operating systems. So, what is the objective of installing VMware tools? It improves display resolution, first of all, and it also enables copy paste between host operating system and virtual machine operating systems, and it allows drag and drop of files. So, if I want to drag and drop any file from my host operating system to Kali Linux or from Kali Linux to my host operating system. For now, it is not facilitating this, but when we install the VMware tools, then we can easily do that. So it also enhances the mouse performance, like no more manual clicking inside VM. Otherwise, if I click outside the VM and when I try to type into the Kali Linux, I cannot do that. But when I will install this, this will be solved as well. And it also improves overall system performance. So without VMware tools, your lab experience will feel limited and frustrating. So that's why it is a critical part to install the VMware tools. So now one of the important concepts are there are two ways to install VMware tools. First of all, open VM tools, and the second thing is we can manually install the VMware tools. So we will use the recommended method. So first of all, you need to get your system updated and upgraded. Let me zoom this because it will enhance the visibility of the terminal. So sudo is actually the super user do. So it takes the privilege of the root and runs the command. So I have told you about the package manager in my previous lecture, which was installation of Kali, I think. And update is the command to update the system. So whenever you write any command, and you can just press the tab button, and it will complete the action by itself. So now there are two packages which are starting from the UP, update and upgrade. So first of all, I need to update it. So I will just type UPD and press tab. After that, I will enter another command, which is and. You have to put two signs of and to concatenate two commands. So basically these are two commands, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. So this y is by default, this y will work as by default yes if anything anything comes which takes an option of yes or no. So just hit enter, enter your password, and after that it will start working on updating and upgrading your system. So I have already upgraded that. So I think there are no packages which can be upgraded. So after that, we will move towards installing the open VM tools. So we'll just have to enter the command. You can follow me. sudo apt install. So this is basically installation package manager apt, and sudo apt install. We will set yes as by default, and open VM tools, and open VM tools desktop. So you can copy this command or follow this command to install the open VMware tools. So now after installing the open VMware tools, you can just reboot your system. But before that, I'll just explain what this command does. So open VM tools basically represents the core functionality of the VMware tools, and open VM tools desktop represent the graphical user interface features like resizing the clipboard. And now we can just reboot it, and it will restart the system. So we will verify the installation after the system gets booted up. Just wait for a little bit, and we will be good to go, I think. Let me restart it again. Now it was working perfectly, but after installing simulator, let me restart it again. Kali Linux and my password. So let me check if the VMware tools are installed or not. So I can check if the service is running by a simple command, which is, let me zoom it first. So system control, and we want to check the status of open VM tools. Yes. So it is active and running. So we have successfully installed the VMware tool. So now let's check that if we can copy anything like Kali installation, and we can copy this and paste that into the home folder of Kali Linux. So yes, we have successfully copy and pasted it. Like if I want to drag and drop this inside, I can also do that. Where it has gone, uh, let me try it again. No, 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 it is not allowing us me to. So let me, yes, replace the file in the destination. So it is copying, it is working from Kali to host machine, but it is not working from host machine to Kali. So system for Linux, let me, no, 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 no. Maybe till now we do not have the privileges to drag and drop from the home machine to Kali Linux, but it is working fine. You can copy and paste. Like if I open the text here and I want to copy paste something from the host machine, I have opened this file into my host operating system and I can paste that into the Kali Linux. So I think you are good to go. Just follow these steps and you would be good to go. So stay connected. I am going to install Metasploitable 2 in my next video. So just wait and I'll be uploading it soon.